Confirm the door open direction and confirm the direction of door handle. Measure the door lock to confirm if it fits installation. Confirm if there are upside and downside hook. Before installation, confirm if the key is in normal use. Firstly, we install the lock body. This is the door lock bolt. If need to change the direction of bolt, push the bolt direction button to change. The bolt will pop out. Change the direction and push inside. This is the door side hook. Please hang in the hook according to position. Put door lock body inside the door frame. Screw tight 4 screws on lock body. This is the alt door lock part. Undo the diction screw of handle. Aim the handle to the direction screw with the right handle direction. Screw tight the diction screw to finish the handle position fix. This is indoor lock plate. Fix the indoor handle direction. Pick up the position screw from accessories package. Screw inside the position screw, finish the handle direction positioning. Insert the speedo into outdoor lock, rotate the speedo with the same direction of door handle, rotate tight to finish. Insert the outdoor lock cable through the door. Press the outdoor lock close to the surface of door frame. Please notice pry tight of the anti-pry plate inside the outdoor lock, otherwise it will alarm. Pick up the protect cover of indoor lock. Insert the outdoor cable through the hole of protect cover. Screw tight the 2 screws on indoor protect cover. Please notice speedo should be in the middle of the hole at this time, or otherwise there will be problem to open the door smoothly. This is the safety speedo of indoor lock. Please cut according to door thickness to fit. Do not exceed the thickness of door frame. Insert a spring inside the core of the indoor lock. Connect the outdoor lock cable with interface of indoor lock. Arrange the cables. Aim the indoor lock to the protect cover. Fix the 4 screws. Test if door lock can be opened or not when it is locked. Secure button can function well. Handle lift can lock the door. Then it means there is no problem for door lock installation. Install the battery, close the battery cover. This is the installation guidance of video door lock and door lock classic version.